Left hand drive 2024 full size Range Rover protected with a Halo Mini. When we exit the vehicle, the system becomes active, and if we now start the car, go to drive it away, as you see the gearbox is just completely disabled. It's not coming out of park at all. The vehicle's going nowhere. So we'll go for a unique code, receive a flash from the full beam, and now we can select the gear and drive away. As soon as we exit, open the door, get a 2 flash activation, system's armed, and your vehicle's secure. It's not going anywhere until you pop your unique code in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Receive a flash, wakes up the gearbox, we can drive away. If you wanted to set your own code on this Range Rover, what you do, turn the ignition on with your foot off the brake. You'll first prove it's you with your code, so the system knows it's you. You receive your flash, it's disarmed. You'll then press the park button 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Receive a double flash from the full beam. Now we can set a new code, so we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll turn the ignition off, and 1 flash confirms our new code. So now when you get to the vehicle, it's not going to start, sorry, it's not going to go into gear. Pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, receive the flash, pop, gear selector lights up, and we can drive off. If you're taking this for a service, what you'll do, keep your foot off the brake so you don't start the vehicle. You tap the start button, pop your code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we'll keep the button held on the park button for 10 seconds, and you'll see we get 5 flashes. We can now release the park button, turn the vehicle off, and we're good to go. This will now start. Once we get out of the vehicle, it will start up, go into gear as if there's no immobiliser fitted. It's in service mode. The Range Rover will be none the wiser there is anything on there. To take it out is the same process again. So foot off the brake, tap the start button so the ignition comes on, pop your code in, and you'll hold the last button in your code, which happens to be the park button now, for 10 seconds. When it comes out, you'll just get 1 flash. So we're keeping the button held. System's back on now. So we turn the vehicle off. You'll know when we get out. Double flash activation. And the vehicle's now not going to go into gear. As you see, this goes completely dead. It's not going anywhere, it's not coming out of park. Pop the code in, receive a flash on the dash, gearbox lights up, you can drive away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo Mini on a brand new full-size Range Rover. Thanks for watching.